and I work at JMV IMPEX Mumbai as a technical head. I've been leading the technical department in the sector of manufacturing. Talking about giving you a brief about a company, JMV IMPEX has been established in the year 2013, and we supply critical engineering components for sectors such as automobile, aerospace, printing and packaging, and oil and gas sector. We also provide spare parts for die and mold industry. Speaking about Manlio, we have bought their 3D probe as well as Z setter, which is also called as OptoZ, and we've been using it for past 2 months now, and it's been great. Give you an overview of the Manlio's 3D probe. It is one of the easy and efficient way to take offsets on a raw material to be machined precise component. Secondly, for an instance, it had recently our operator made a mistake and he moved the probe a little more. That is a very beneficial point. I want to highlight it as they have a very robust stylus attachment which can avoid the operator's mishandling. Thirdly, I would like to say is that it is one of the best alternative method for inspection instead of a CMM machine. As you know, time is a very major constraint in our industry. Manlio's OptoZ or Z setter has helped us take offsets of multiple tools within seconds or minutes. The second point I would like to highlight is there are lots of wear and tear while machining components. By the help of OptoZ, we have also achieved accuracy to a greater extent.